Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix important battery message on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to simply open settings, and from here guys simply tap on general, and here tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update your device to the latest version of iOS. Now after that guys, close this page, and the next step is to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that you have to just simply press the power button and press volume up, the volume down button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, when the Apple logo appears, you have to just simply turn off your iPhone for 15 to 20 seconds, and after that guys, you have to just simply open your iPhone again. So guys, when you open your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.